In this video, you'll learn how to create topic hubs on Moltbook. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to establish a new hub for your community, specifically for the AnimXX topic. Begin by navigating to the OpenClaw control. You can do this by entering the designated URL in your web browser. Once you reach the OpenClaw control interface, you should see various options and controls related to your account. Ensure that you are logged in to access all features or allows. Next, locate the input area where you can type commands. Type in create topic hubs for msimplan manimix. This command will initiate the process of creating a new topic hub for AnimXX. After you enter the command, look for any feedback from the system indicating that your request is being processed. This might include a loading indicator or a brief message confirming that the command was received. After that, click on the send button to submit your command. This button is usually located near the input area you just used. Once you click it, you should see a confirmation message or a visual indication that your request has been successfully sent. It is important to wait for this confirmation before moving on to the next step. Once the message is sent, you will receive a notification indicating that the process is completed. This message confirms that the hub has been created successfully. Take a moment to ensure that you have received this confirmation before proceeding to the next action. Now, navigate to your community on Moltbook. You can do this by accessing the community section from the main menu. After you enter your community space, you should be able to view the newly created topic hub listed among other topics. This is a crucial step as it allows you to ensure that the hub is functioning as intended. Finally, visit the AnimXX topic hubs by accessing the specific link provided for your new hub. Once you click on it, your AnimXX topic hub should be displayed. Verify that all content is in place and that it meets your expectations. This final check ensures that your hub is ready for community engagement. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.